You have played so much cricket here, IPL also. So is there a case that first 2 overs in the second innings, the ball swings here?
I think it happened. It has happened always. Even in the first innings, also the fast bowlers have had some edge during in the power play with the new ball, and in the second innings as well. It was the similar situation. So it's in both the innings actually. There's no advantage when you're bowling first or second. It was actually in both the innings. Now, however, how many games we've played here?
कैप्टन काफ़ी टीम्स मतलब ऑलमोस्ट सारी टीम्स अभी राइट आर्म ऑफ स्पिनर्स को लगा रही हैं आप लोगों के सामने शुरुआत में. क्या हमारा जो 6 लेफ्ट हैंडर बैटर्स वाली जो कॉम्बिनेशन है क्या वो हमें बहुत प्रिडिक्टेबल बना दे रही है? क्योंकि साउथ अफ्रीका की प्रैक्टिस भी उसी तरीके से शुरू हुई कि एडम मार्करम जो है रफ पैचेस पे डालने लगा. तो अभी टू प्रिडिक्टेबल आपको लग रहा है?
देखो T20 में फर्स्ट ओवर में तो कोई रफ पैच बनता नहीं है. मैंने तो देखा नहीं अभी तक. बट ऑफ स्पिनर डाले या लेफ्ट आर्म स्पिनर डाले, अभी अपन इतना क्रिकेट खेल चुके हैं सब, लेफ्ट हैंडर हो या राइट हैंडर हो, तो आई थिंक एवरीवन इज वेल इक्विप्ड. हम फ्रेंचाइज क्रिकेट खेलते हैं, हम डोमेस्टिक क्रिकेट खेलते हैं, उसमें ऑफ स्पिनर भी आ जाता है कभी कभी बैटिंग करने. और नए बॉल से तो कितने बार हमारे लेफ्टीज ने खेला ही है. तो वो अपना अपना सबका गेम प्लान होता है खेलने का कि कैसे किसको खेलना है. अब वो टाइम पे अगर टीम को रिक्वायरमेंट है कि अगर शॉट्स खेलने, रन्स बनाने, तो रन्स बनाएंगे अगेंस्ट ऑफ स्पिनर्स ऑल्सो. बट जैसे कि मैंने बोला कि सब लोग अपना अपना गेम प्लान रेडी रखते हैं. अगर ऑफ स्पिनर डाले तो ऑफ स्पिनर, फास्ट बॉलर डाले तो फास्ट बॉलर. अब डालेंगे, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. बट आई थिंक जो हमारे लिए वर्क कर रहा है अभी तक, अब हम 4 गेम जीते, ऑफ स्पिनर ने डाला है. हाँ, हम थोड़ा ऊपर नीचे हुआ है, बट देन समहाउ हमने ट्राई किया है कि वो सिचुएशन से हम कैसे बाहर आ सके. होपफुली इट विल बी मच बेटर फ्रॉम टुमारो.
Some have argued that having hello there. Some have argued that having precedings for the Super 8 phases creates an artificial tournament. What are your views on the way that it's set up?
Sir, I don't know anything about this precedings. Who does it? Definitely, as I also said during the last PC, if I am in that situation, I'll definitely try and tweak it.
सूर्या, जिस तरीके से स्टार्ट्स हमें नहीं मिल रहे हैं, क्या इस मोनोटोनी को तोड़ने के लिए संजू आ सकते हैं? कल भी हमने देखा काफ़ी लंबा प्रैक्टिस सेशन जो है वो उनका रहा, काफ़ी देर तक उन्होंने पेस वाले विकेट पर, स्पिन वाले विकेट पर भी काफ़ी देर तक रहे. क्या हम आने वाले मैचेस में उनको देखेंगे खेलते हुए?
मतलब आप बोल रहे हो मैं अभिषेक की जगह पे खिलाऊं उसको?
नहीं, नंबर 3 में भी.
तो मतलब तिलक की जगह खिलाऊं? अच्छा ही तो चल रहा है अभी पावर प्ले में. कहाँ 50 रन 40 रन तो बना ही रहे, वो तो नॉर्मल क्रिकेट है. अब हमने इतना ज्यादा अच्छा खेल लिया है बायलैटरल में. होता है कभी कभी एक्सपेक्टेशंस खुद से भी होती है, हम लोग को भी है एक्सपेक्टेशन कि हम 220 बना दे, 240 250 बना दे. बट विकेट्स थोड़े से डिफरेंट है यहाँ पर. हम लोग जो 4 विकेट पे अभी तक खेले हैं वहाँ पे थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट था, थोड़ा चैलेंजिंग था. ऑफ स्पिनर्स पहले नहीं डाल रहे थे बट अभी डाल रहे हैं. तो वी स्टार्टेड प्रिपरेशन फॉर दैट एंड होपफुली वील टैकल इट as we start our Super 8 journey.
Surya here. Surya, when you were batting, like you have been able to change the gears. Obviously, you in an earlier press conference said that you and Tilak you'll be doing some anchoring role depending on the wicket. But in case of Tilak, just asking that is it the rustiness of the surgery and then coming back, probably the switchovers that you are being able to do. Tilak is unable to do that, considering in the middle overs when he is playing that the switchovers, switching the gears, which you have been able to do.
Not really. I mean, I've told him, the team management has told him that he has to bat that way. If one wicket is down, then he's definitely, he can go and have his own game in the power play. But as soon as 2 wickets are down, then he has to take a little bit of backseat, get a partnership again, get to the 10th over, and then we have enough firepower to continue and take on the bowling. But yeah, definitely, I'm sure he must not be happy with how he's batting right now. I'm sure he must be, and he has practiced a lot as well in the last 2-3 practice sessions. But I don't have any concern regarding him. He's been delivering for India at number 3 really well, and I'm very confident that he'll do it better.
Surya, start of the T20 cycle, only the openers were fixed and you kept it very fluid from number 3 onwards. Then Tilak was decided for 3, you will come at 4. So just reviewing the group stage, has there been a discussion between you and the coach just to figure out the ideal entry points? Because you have a lot of firepower in the lower order. Hardik, Shivam, Aksar, Rinku, Washi also is an option. So have you discussed that what's the ideal entry points to get these fire hitting power batters, probably earlier, or just change those strategies so that you can capitalize those last 6-7 overs, even if there's an early collapse and you rebuild in the middle phase?
Absolutely. I mean, see, except the openers, I think from 3 to 7 or 3 to 8, everyone has to be very flexible, and that has been the message in the group. That if there's no wicket down till 8 or 9 overs, there might be a point where you might see Shivam Dube walking in, or even a Hardik walking in, if there's a proper matchup. So everyone has to be very flexible. Even I am flexible. I've said the same thing to everyone. So if we get into that situation, we'll definitely have it and take that call.
Surya, spinners have had a bigger impact in this World Cup, and given India's strong spin attack, do you think they could have a little bit of upper hand against South Africa in the game tomorrow?
Our spinners?
Yeah, yours upper hand.
Yeah, I mean, they've been doing well. I think the spinners have done really well against almost all the oppositions which we played till now. So I can't say we'll have an edge because it's a new game, fresh start. You have to start from zero. But yeah, definitely some good plans. I think on the given day, plans and execution has to be coming together on the page. So if that comes together, we'll definitely have an edge.
Hi, Surya. Yesterday, South Africa's coach, Shukri Conrad, spoke about how they're dealing with pressure and kind of saying, well, maybe the pressure's more on India because it's a home World Cup. And I mean, we can even see from the numbers, you've got a lot more media than South Africa have. Can you give us an insight into how, especially for people who don't know what it's like to be an Indian cricketer, you deal with that pressure? And is it more pressure, or is it just something you get used to?
See, it's very difficult to say that there's no pressure or it's easy to handle. But yeah, when you're playing such a big event at your home soil, on your home soil, you definitely feel pressure. It's not that you can run away from it, because you meet so many people in the hotel when you're traveling. The same goal to win the World Cup. We have to do well. So yes, of course, there is pressure. But yeah, at the same time, every individual has a different plan to deal with it. How do you want to take it forward? That's in your hands. But we are trying our best to keep it simple. It's easy to say that it's easy to say that we have to keep it simple. But we're trying our best to be in present. Try to keep our feet where we are. Like for example, when we were playing the league stage, we got a good wake-up call when we played against US. So since then, we've not been thinking about too much, like how we start a Super 8 campaign from tomorrow. Think about tomorrow, then take one step at a time. But yeah, of course, there is pressure. There will be pressure. If there's no pressure, there won't be any fun in playing this game.
Surya, just carrying on from the last question, how much does it help that you know where you will be playing your Super 8, your oppositions and everything? And given that South Africa are almost playing entire tournament here at Ahmedabad, how do you deal with these factors? Do you think about it, and how much does that help each team?
I think almost all the players have played n number of games in Ahmedabad. Even India as a team has played a lot of games in Ahmedabad. So I think it's a good 50-50 competition. Whoever plays good cricket tomorrow, I think will definitely end up on winning side. And it's not that there's no added advantage. Everyone comes here during franchise cricket. They get an opportunity to play in different venues here, and also, I mean, as you say, as we know what teams we are playing. So, and we have good days also in between different games. So we get good time to prepare for every team.
सूर्या, आपने कहा कि कोई चिंता नहीं है, डर नहीं है, लेकिन एक चीज
डर नहीं बोला मैंने, चिंता नहीं है.
हाँ, चिंता नहीं है, लेकिन एक लॉ ऑफ एवरेज से डर लगता है. आपकी टीम जो है सिंस 2024 वर्ल्ड कप से अनप्रेसिडेंटेड विनिंग स्ट्रीक पे है, तो कई बार लगता है बिजनेस एंड है, या फिर आपको लगता है जो थोड़ा बहुत ऊपर, जैसे आपने मेंशन किया कि साउथ अफ्रीका का गेम है उतना कन्विंसिंग नहीं रहा, तो दैट इज टेकिंग केयर ऑफ लॉ ऑफ एवरेज.
हाँ, मतलब इतना तो हम लोग सोचते नहीं है. जैसे कि अभी मैंने बोला कि हम लोग ट्राई करते हैं प्रेजेंट में रहने के लिए. ठीक है, हम मतलब जीते इतने सारे गेम्स, बट दैट इज हिस्ट्री नाउ. और कौन सा गेम आप खेल रहे हो ऑन दैट गिवन डे, उसके बारे में अगर आप सोचोगे, इजी नहीं है, मुश्किल है. क्योंकि कभी कभी आप जब अच्छा क्रिकेट खेलते रहते हो तो इधर उधर से, जैसे अभी आपने बोला लॉ ऑफ एवरेज, आ ही जाती है आवाज़. बट ठीक है, लेकिन ट्राई करते हैं हम लोग उस चीज़ को थोड़ा अवॉइड करने के लिए, और जितना प्रेजेंट में रहे, जितना ध्यान दे अपने ग्रुप में क्या स्ट्रेंथ्स है हमारे, उस पर फोकस करेंगे तो इट वर्क्स बेटर.
Surya, you won the first 3 games batting first. Was there a temptation to just change it up and try and chase in the last game?
There was little bit of a temptation. Yes, we had batted, but then when I had practiced here before the Netherlands game, there was very heavy dew one day before when we practiced. So we thought, why not bat first, take that pressure, and then later on put bowlers under a little bit of pressure, bowl them under dew, because we've not bowled under dew a lot. We didn't face a lot of dew when we were at Wankhede, Delhi also. So it's better they get an opportunity also to bowl in the dew, and so that we are well prepared for it.
सूर्या, अभिषेक अनफॉर्चुनेटली जल्दी आउट हो जा रहे हैं और जैसे ही आउट होते हैं तिलक ओपनर बन जाते हैं. सो ऐसी सिचुएशन में डॉट बॉल परसेंटेज भी उनका स्पिनर्स के अगेंस्ट पड़ता है, उसका रिफ्लेक्शन आपके ऊपर में भी आता है. यूएसए की पारी अगर छोड़ दें उसके बाद थोड़ा सा हमने चेंज देखा है टीम इंडिया की बैटिंग अप्रोच में. आप इसको कैसे देखते हो और आपको लगता है कि साउथ अफ्रीका जैसी टीम के साथ जो कि लास्ट टाइम की रनर-अप्स हैं वहाँ पर एक चैलेंज हो सकता है और इवन गोइंग फॉरवर्ड इन सुपर 8?
नहीं, मुझे नहीं लगता है कि कोई ज़्यादा सोचने वाली बात है, क्योंकि मैं अपने बॉलिंग यूनिट पे बहुत प्राइड लेता हूँ. मुझे पता है कि ऑन अ गिवन डे अगर मैं हमेशा यही सोचता था, अगर